Example 5. If a plus ib is equals to x plus I whole square by 2x square plus 1, show that a square plus b square is equals to x square plus 1 whole square by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Let us consider a plus ib is equals to x plus I whole square by 2x square plus 1. This can be written as a plus ib is equals to x plus I taken whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 plus I into 0. Taking modulus on both sides, this can be written as modulus of a plus ib is equals to numerator modulus of x plus I taken whole square divided by modulus of 2x square plus 1 plus I into 0. Since modulus of z square is same as mod z whole square, and similarly mod z1 by z2 is equals to mod z1 by mod z2. Using these formulae, we can write down the given expression like this. And you know the modulus of z is equals to root of sum of squares of real and imaginary part. Therefore, modulus of a plus ib is square root of a square plus b square is equals to numerator x plus I whole square is nothing but square root of real part square, imaginary part square taken whole square divided by square root of 2x square plus 1 whole square plus 0. By squaring and removing square root on both sides, a square plus b square, and here one square root removing, you get it x square plus 1 whole square and divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square.